In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit money in a Oanda account. Now, the first thing you want to do once you are on oanda.com, you want to first open your account, and then after you do that, after you put in all your information, they basically require for you to put in, then after that, you will be given your email, and in the email you'll basically get your credentials to sign in, and there's going to be a button where basically you can go ahead and open up their trading platform, which is this platform.tmsbrokers.com, and here is where you're going to be able to sign into your account. It's going to look like this, and with the credentials provided, you're going to basically sign into your account. After you've done that, up here top right, you can see it says deposit funds. I'm currently on a demo account, but for you, if you're on a real account, you'll be able to do that inside there as well. So click on deposit funds, and then you want to click on over here where it says deposit funds. You can either select Visa or mBank. So here it's going to be either bank transfer or Visa. That's up to you. Click on next, and then it's going to take you to a separate site in just a few seconds after this loads. And on that site, what's basically going to happen is you'll be able to put in your email address, password, your deposit amount, and then you want to click on next, and then you'll be able to basically provide your information, your card info and stuff like that, and after that you'll be able to deposit inside your account. So that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.